IEC and NEMA are prominent standards in the electrical equipment industry. While IEC is often associated with European standards and NEMA with North American standards, understanding their key differences is crucial for global application. Firstly, let's consider voltage and frequency. IEC equipment is typically rated for 50 or 60 Hz, 230 over 400 volts, or 400 over 415 volts three-phase. In contrast, NEMA equipment is typically rated for 60 Hz, 120 over 208 volts, or 240 over 480 volts three-phase. Secondly, physical dimensions differ significantly. IEC equipment is generally smaller and more compact than NEMA equipment, largely due to the use of metric dimensions. NEMA equipment, on the other hand, tends to be larger and bulkier, often using imperial measurements. Thirdly, wiring and plugs present another key difference. IEC equipment uses metric-sized wiring and plugs that are not compatible with NEMA plugs. Conversely, NEMA equipment uses imperial-sized wiring and plugs, which are not compatible with IEC plugs. Fourthly, safety standards are paramount. IEC equipment meets the International Electrotechnical Commission, or IEC, safety standards. NEMA equipment meets the National Electrical Manufacturers Association, or NEMA, safety standards. It is important to note that both standards have rigorous safety requirements. Fifthly, addressing a common misconception, IEC equipment is not necessarily less durable than NEMA equipment. Durability depends on various factors such as the manufacturer, the materials used, and the environmental conditions. For further reading and a deeper understanding, consider these resources. Firstly, IEC 60364 provides comprehensive information on electrical installations. Secondly, the NEMA PB 1.1 Industrial Control and Systems Reference Handbook serves as an invaluable resource. Thirdly, explore resources that provide basics of IEC and NEMA electrical systems. Fourthly, many resources address the specific differences between IEC and NEMA electrical equipment. Understanding these differences enables informed decision-making when selecting electrical equipment for diverse applications. It helps to ensure compatibility, safety, and optimal performance in various electrical systems worldwide. The choice between IEC and NEMA equipment should be based on a careful consideration of the application's requirements, the available infrastructure, and the relevant safety standards.